Yep. All right, so a couple of couple of well, advances. I have I have made myself a new sandblaster. The other one was kind of crappy and had a pretty poor reservoir. I bought this air nozzle thing from Amazon for like $4. I plugged this up with Bondo, with Bondo, and I cut a V-shaped notch. Maybe I can show you. Maybe not. A V-shaped notch. There you can see it. And then I glue gunned the seams where I put this thing through an orange juice bottle. And by God, does it work? Let me see if I can get this up. Well, that's what she said. Watch. God, and the volume is a hell of a lot more than the other one. The volume of the stream of walnut shells. That's what I'm using as a blaster. So I've got stuff up in there that I've not done yet. I've got some spots that need to get blasted down there. A lot of this I did with a wire wheel. Let me see how it checks out here. Oops. Well, damn it. There. Move the hose out of the way. Oh my God, I'm so pleased with myself.